Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. So guys, I'm so excited today. Guess what? Guess who? We have reached 1,000 subscribers and more, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for your endless support. I am most happy. Yeah, that's Lisa crying. But guys, that notwithstanding, I'm so happy. So guys, to celebrate it today, guess what we are doing? We'll be going to the beach with Asheri. But I'm not swimming, okay? I don't know how to swim. We are just, in fact, nobody's swimming because it's cold these days. And so Asheri's auntie called to come and pick us so that we can go by the beach, just walk around. But before that, I want to show you something. I did some hygiene shopping and I want to show you my updated skincare, okay? We are going to unbox it together and I'll show you, yeah, my updated skincare products. Okay guys, it's all about taking care of our skin. This melanin has to pop, and guys, I want you to take careful notice of these imperfections and everything on my face, because we are going to compare my face before and after 1 month usage. Okay, I'll show you now. Guys, I got a couple of my updated skincare products here. So we are going to start with the most interesting one, which is this one. Guys, am I holding upside down? Yes, this is Eucerin Hyaluron Filler 3 times effect. So we are going to unbox this together. Guys, don't mind the carton, okay? So actually they come 3 inside, and guys, it's expensive. As I said it, I'm investing on my skin this year. So they come in these 3 bottles. I'll just check the price and put you on the screen. So they come in these 3 bottles. This is the Hyaluron Filler Vitamin C Buster Facial Serum. So this is the facial serum. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. So let's read the instructions on how to use it. So okay, lifestyle and pollution can lead to oxidative stress in the skin, yeah, for stressed skin, leading to accelerated and early skin aging. So it fights against early skin aging. I don't know, am I looking old? You have to mix and shake before first use. Apply in the morning or evening prior to your moisturizer, or mix with your moisturizer. This is also good for, like, if you are doing makeup, you can use it. Okay, and then you avoid eye area. So this is how to open it. Let's see. Okay, so you have to remove the foil. So this is the foil. Let's open one. So remove the foil like this. Okay, press soft button 2 to 3 times to release the vitamin C. So you have to press this 2 to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it has released. And then shake 10 seconds before first use. Is that 10 seconds? Then twist to remove cap. Twist to remove the cap, and then turn around and press soft button to release the formula. Okay guys, so I have to press. Oh, nice. Guys, my face is already clean. I already washed my face. Smells really nice. So guys, let's see how you look like. And then I have this. I've used this so many times and I like it. This is a vitamin C cream, 12-hour oil control, visibly even skin tone, reduces dark marks. Yes, baby, we'll go now. So this is for dark marks. Yes, it's okay. I'm coming. Take now. Sorry guys, Asheri is here. So this is the second product, and then we're going to press it like, this is a facial cream, guys. Is this how it's supposed to be? Is this how I'm supposed to apply it? Oh my god. Guys, maybe it's going to fade. Oh, this is not my... Let me read the instructions. Hey. Apply morning and evening after cleansing your face with Garnier cleansing foam. Gently massage into the skin using circular motions, moving from the center of your face towards and from the base of your neck. Do not apply to delicate eye area. Hi, but this is how you apply it, but it's still white. But it's fine. Maybe we'll adjust. And so, guys, I have my lotion, vitamin C firming lotion, and my face wash. This is what I wash my face with. So, guys, we'll see how it goes. Guys, as you can see, it's fading into the skin. I'll just leave it 5 minutes later and see what my face.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make her run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. Too many options to stress you. You think say you be my controller. You say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie. Plenty women make me to run wild. Slow it sometime.
Yeah, that's good.
I need to slow down. Yeah. So many things we could have been.
I'm so confused.
cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.